Good evening, everyone. Am I audible and my screen is visible to all of you? Yeah, good evening once again to all of you. And warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. Am I audible? Is my screen visible to all of you? Yes. Am I audible? Is there any still your people are facing any issue in audio? Yes, I got a reply and there was some issue to few members. So I've just restarted it. I think now it is visible and my screen is visible and I'm audible, right? Please, please give a quick reply so that we can start our session as early as possible. So good afternoon once again to all of you. Yes, and warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities as well as the Commodity Pathshala. First of all, I would like to share with you all that the Commodity Pathshala is a new series which I have started to discuss about live commodity markets, the recent commodity trends worldwide and specific to India. And see here, I am also going to discuss many points like why commodities, who should learn and invest in commodity market, why one should bother about commodities, or the potential and the scope of commodities as an upcoming segment, and many other important things. I am really glad to see huge number of attendees even joining today today afternoon to learn something new or to evaluate something new. That's wonderful. Yes, here we are going to discuss or yes, it is not only the recent trend, technicals, fundamentals, currency fluctuations, and plenty of other things. Definitely I'm going to target all of your questions, so please don't worry for that. Hopefully I'm audible and my screen is visible to everyone, right? And before going ahead or before laying down today's agenda point, I would like to ask you all, how many of you are attending Commodity Pathshala for the first time? Come on. The series of the Commodity Pathshala, it is the series 3. We are already done with the Commodity Pathshala series 1 and series 2. We got the tremendous response for that, and today right now the series 3 is going on. Can I get a quick reply how many of you all had are connecting with me for the first time? Yes, before going ahead, a quick introduction about myself. I'm Hiral Shah, MBA and MCX certified commodity professional. I'm having a more than decade years of teaching experience, and I have trained more than 1,000 members under the brand name Phoenix Commodities. I'm really happy to share with you all that all of them are having gala time trading commodities. And definitely we'll be showing you people the channel itself. Here I can see, yes, Naveen sir, you are joining for the first time, and there are many other members as well. Yeah, I'm not naming them, all of them, but see those who are connecting me, for the first time, let me show you people one another important thing. Yes, just a minute. Let us open. Here I will be showing you those who have not yet gone through. Yes, you can just, as I showed you people, you can just Google it and you can just go through our website. This is our Phoenix Commodities website, and here in the learning tab, you will be getting, see, on a regular basis. We take out some videos from this learning tab. We put up a new videos to this learning tab. It will be giving you the continuous learning webinars over here. And as this is our Commodity Pathshala Part 4. So already previous 1, 2, 3. This is the series 3 and the part 4 of the Commodity Pathshala. So all other series are already being uploaded on our dashboard. You people can just register yourself and can go through this webinar whenever time permits. It's very important to go through this class. You will get plenty of knowledge regarding the commodities or the current market trends and many other fundamentals and technicals we are discussing. Well, this commodity Pathshala, basically, as I told you all, this commodity Pathshala is more for the it would be more interactive session, and here we are going to, yeah, my target would be definitely to answer all your questions. I just will try to connect with you all and will try to solve all your queries. So please go through this, register this website and go through this recordings whenever time permits. You can go through the previous session so that you will get the sync and don't miss any of our upcoming session. And this is our commodity Pathshala. Sorry, commodity. Yes, this is our Commodities, Phoenix Commodities Telegram channel. I think all of you will be part of our Commodities channel. Am I right? How many of you are not yet part of this Commodities channel? Come on, tell me. This is the Commodities free channel that will be putting up the trade levels on a regular basis. Yes, so those who are not yet part of the, yeah, okay, there are many members, those who are not part of this Commodities free channel. You people can just check it right now on the Telegram. You people can see the subscribers over here. You people can see the our channel. It is just in front of you all. And yeah, I'll be sharing you link also, sir. Don't worry for that. Yes, just a minute. Give me a second. And yeah. You people can be the part of this Telegram channel right now. I'm already sharing you people the link right now in the chat box. So the point is that this is our Phoenix Commodities free channel where we put up a regular trade levels. We also share plenty of other important things regarding the commodities. So all of you be the part of this Phoenix Commodities free channel. Those who are not yet, try to be the part of the Phoenix Commodities channel today itself. Okay, now those who are already the part of the channel, how many of you are following our trade levels? Can I get a quick reply for that? How many of you are following the crude labels, the labels which we are putting up before market hours, all the advanced trade levels? How many of you all are observing that? That's wonderful that majority of the members are following the labels which have been put up in our channel. That's great. And how many of you are minting on this? How many of you are minting the profits on this? Yes, yesterday evening, as we'll be discussing, today is Tuesday. Let us discuss past two trade levels. Yes, definitely, sir. I'll be answering all your questions regarding the recent levels which have been posted, as well as if you want the new levels, I'll definitely be sharing with you all. So yes, the nickel levels. Okay, that's great. That nickel yesterday evening we posted, and I think it has given 8 points of profit. And okay, Ramchandra sir, are you observing? But as you are not taking trade, but are you observing, sir? Yes, definitely. You will not get the conviction in the trade until you are not learning that things. So yes, nickel sell was posted yesterday evening, and I think it has given more than 7 points of profit straight away. It was a very good down for from the exact the little bit variation from the levels which we had posted in the afternoon. All the trade levels which we are putting up, all are advanced levels, right? Here you people can see the crude levels were also posted. How many of you are observing the levels which we are posting before market hours? Yes, this is for the new members. The experienced members already know, right? There are many new members today in today's session. They are connecting me for the first time. Start observing these things. Every day we are putting up the labels before market hours. We are ready with all sort of important labels before market hours. How many of you are observing that? And they are giving wonderful results. That's amazing. That's a quick Yes, Jiva sir. See, first of all, the labels which we have put up over here, the labels which have been put up in the early morning, say by cell near 5022, okay, 22, 5022, and then let's see whether it got executed yesterday or not. So yesterday, exactly from 22 at 11:40 p.m., here you people can see the crude has made a low of 4999. Did it work perfectly, Jiva sir? Are you understanding? Let me show you people in the charts itself. So here I'm just opening the crude chart in front of you all. And I think in the last week also you attended the session and I showed you, right, sir? So the same thing, you people start observing it and observe this, gain the conviction. Please don't jump for trading because trading is always very risky until you are not learned. uh, yeah, and after learnings, you can definitely start your trading itself, right? So here you people can see that from 22 in the morning itself, crude has made the high of 30. So in the early morning itself, at 9 o'clock, the levels were executed, Jiva sir, and it has given the low of 4968. How many points of profit it would be? Come on, tell me. Did the levels worked well? Can I get a reply from all of you? Again, at the same level, we got the reversal in the evening, but then it just touched our stop loss and then again came down. So this is the power of technicals or the power of technical setup which we are using. All of you can see this. I just opened the hourly chart so that you people can observe the movement. If you'll be checking the 15-minute, you will be getting the strong downward movement from the levels which we had posted before market hours. Now, how we are preparing this levels? We are preparing our commodities, crude levels before market hours with the help of the global chart. I think I'm assuming that all of you. Yes, Rajendra sir, definitely. We'll be discussing for the newcomers also. That's a good question, Rajendra sir, and I will definitely answer your question, and I will also suggest you, Rajendra sir, to go through the recordings of the previous webinar and try to understand why one should learn commodities, because I had already discussed plenty of important things in the first, second, and third session. See, first of all, the commodities which we are trading, they are globally traded commodities. It has not only been traded in India, but it has been traded globally. And here, um, when we are focusing on the global market, the biggest advantage of trading in the global market is that technicals works like a magic and the result is front of you all. As you are telling Rajendra sir, will be explaining to all the new members, those who are connected for me for the first time. I'll be taking 10-15 minutes to explain you the commodities and the hidden treasures of commodities and why one should focus on commodities. I think you people will be understanding, you people would be trading in equity, right? Though not in commodities, but all of you would be trading in equities, correct? All of you will be fond of equities. So yes, I'll be showing you that also. And I have got another question. So I can see multiple questions at the one time. Don't worry, I'll be answering all the questions. Yes, Sunil sir. It depends on the level of your accuracy. If your accuracy is too good, you can even trade at the shorter time frame, or it's always better to go with a higher time frame. Higher the time frame, higher would be accuracy. Okay. Yes. Now here you people can see that the crude, today's crude level were for a buy from 70. It has not, our stop loss has not got hit, and it has made a high of, you people can just check this, it is just in front of you all. Yes, after looking at the today's level, I'm jumping to that. Yeah, Rajendra sir, everything I'll be explaining you all. And it has made a high of a 4994. It has given 24 points of movement. So today also the levels had given amazing result and had worked perfectly. But now before going ahead, as you people are asking me about the previous session or why to learn commodities trading, so see, today's agenda point I have laid down today. As per the previous session and the questions which I have got, I have decided today's webinar and today's agenda point on the basis of that. Yeah, every time I'll be coming up with a new topic which will be useful for our members, and as per the question, see by the inventory, power of compounding in commodities, why one should, how one can multiply their capital quite easily with the inventory trading, etc. And today's topic is the technical analysis and commodities. Again and again, if you people will be going through my recordings, I'll be repeating the same thing, that technicals works like a magic in commodities. So why so? Let us understand and let us start our session with the agenda points. I'll be explaining you what is the capital required also. Yeah, I will be answering that question too. So let us go through this, and then we'll be going to through another questions as well. And Sunil sir, higher the time frame, higher would be accuracy in intraday as well as positional. Okay, Sunil sir. Yeah. Oh, yes. There are many questions regarding Genie, regarding Masters channel, regarding the Batch 17. Don't worry. Hold on for your eagerness. I will be targeting everyone's question one by one. Okay. Now, why to learn commodity trading? So, first of all, the high leverage. Now, as you people are asking me, what is the capital required for trading? This is the common question which I'm getting every time. So here, we get this commodity segment itself allow us to trade with the less capital. Okay, we can multiply our capital quite easily in commodities. Here, you people can see this is the margin requirement for trading in commodities. Now, as in equity, you are having thousands crypto focused, right? But in commodities, we are just focusing on 8 to 9 scripts which are being traded globally. Yes, as you people can see here, we are having just 8 to 9 scripts to focus in commodities. And here is the list of the margin requirement to trading commodities. You can start with a less capital if you have a less capital by natural gas, say by 28,000, silver micro like 6,456 rupees, silver mini, silver, gold, they are the bullions, base metal like a nickel, copper, lead, zinc, and crude and natural gas, they fall under energy. So here is the list of the commodities which are being traded globally and the margin requirement for trading in this commodities. Yes, in zinc you can trade with 1,07,000, and in crude oil you can trade with 82,000, 85,000. Yes, the mini are available for silver mini is available, gold mini is available, so that you can trade with the less capital. Even natural gas you can trade with just 1,000 rupees. Silver micro is also available, which is again a smaller version of the mini. So the people who are having less capital can definitely take a buy of it. And basically, it is quite easy to mint these commodities. It's not at all difficult to mint these commodities because here, these commodities are being traded globally and the manipulation will be almost near to nil. Let me come to this point, and you can easily focus on only one commodity and can multiply your capital quite easily. So yes, I will be showing you some. See, this website I'll be always showing you people in our free webinar, and as I'm getting plenty of questions regarding the fundamentals of the commodities. So here is the list of the commodities which we are going to trade. Here I'll just open MCX website in front of you all. All of you can check this website. All of you can explore this website. It is very, very resourceful, and you will be getting the plenty of fundamental knowledge regarding the commodities. Here you people can see the bullions, gold, silver, base metals, copper, lead, nickel, zinc, crude, natural gas. This all the commodities have been traded globally, and we are going to focus only on the commodities which have been traded globally. We are not going to focus on the agri commodities because we firmly believe that agri commodities are highly traded in domestically, and we may get manipulation over that. So we don't want to target that. We always focus only just this 8 to 9 script. So again, another important thing, as you people are already actively trading in equities, you all know the indices, and they all have reached to its maturity phase, right? Like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and you need to focus on the multiple scripts in equities. But here in the commodities, you are having a very less script to focus, hardly 8 to 9, and in that if you are focusing only on one script, that is more than enough. Second thing, you all know that the equity market has already reached to its maturity phase. We have indices, we have option trading, we have future trading. Means it is there are plenty of option selling and option trading, and index trading in equities, and it has already reached to its maturity phase. But the commodity is upcoming sector. Here we do have indexes. See, by I will be showing you people, this is the bull index and the metal index, and the trading has already started in this comdex, but volumes are slowly picking up. Now they have already started picking up the volume. So yet it has not reached to maturity phase. It has just started. PMS services and all that are the different types of yeah, they have just started their participation in the commodities. So it is just the beginning phase of the commodities. It is not Yes, exactly, sir. And within 10 years, you will be seeing the different scenario in the trading of the commodities. Right now, also, it is having a huge potential to multiply your capital. And the growth curve is steep. So I would say the upcoming opportunity in commodities is just huge. And one can grab such opportunity only if one is prepared for that. So I think you people should prepare yourself to grab such opportunities. So this is the Comdex and other sort of the bullions which I showed you people. Yeah, just a minute. Here it is. Definitely, Ramchandra sir. There are many such members. There are many members, those who have crossed that age of 70, and they are doing wonderful job. One of our member, batch 11, Surendran sir, he is of 72 years, and believe me, he is doing wonderful job. Complete group is ready to help him. Why not? You can definitely take an advantage of this, sir, because yes, that was one another member. I think from first batch I got the Manohar sir. He was also the retired one in my very first batch. He was doing wonderful job and peacefully he was earning 10,000 rupees in a week. He had put up a strong feedback for me. You people can go through that feedback. Why I'm asked margin in lakhs when I try to place an order. So Rajendra sir, which platform you are using? The margins required are just around 6 to 8%. So Ramchandran sir, he has always thanked me for that, and the complete group is helping them. I will explain you how it goes. Then one of our batch member A, he had also put up a strong feedback, and he was like very happy that he is utilizing his time in the right manner. And see, believe me, everything is possible if you are interested in your learnings. Don't try these things without a proper set of learnings, otherwise your adventure can turn into misadventure. See, this is a normal thing which I'm getting from the members, that they tried, but without proper set of learning, it won't give you good results. So please invest in your learnings, and then sky is the limit, sir. You can definitely try it, and you can definitely multiply your capital. Yes, one of our batch member, eighth, he was CM Goel and he was judge, and he's also doing wonderful job. Sorry, batch 9. So there are many such members. Ramchandran sir will be happy to have such members in our group. Anyways, the next biggest advantage of trading and the commodities is that the less manipulation. Rajinder sir, the margin which platform you are using, it depends on the platform also, right? I showed you the margin requirement for trading in LI's Blue. So if you are using any other platform, you will have to check that also. Okay. Right now, 10,000 capital, you will have to go with the silver micro, Rajendra sir. Rajendra sir. Okay, you will able to trade with a 10K in a margin is the deposit amount. Margin is the deposit amount which you will be giving to the keeping to the exchange for taking your trades. So it is a requirement of the amount in your account for taking trades. It's just you are paying the deposit for that to exchange. Okay, and if you are having a less capital, then you can go with the script where the margin requirement for that particular script will be less. And if you want to trade in crude oil, then you will may require 82,000 in LI's Blue, and there is no harm in opening account in LI's or such discount broking, because here when you are focusing on the intraday trading, you will get a good margin, sir, Rajinder sir. Okay. So let me finish this, then again I'll be answering your question. Hold on, Rajinder sir. Okay, fine. So now the less manipulation. See, the prices of metal, energy are internationally linked. They have their actual industrial usage, and we can't manipulate the prices of this. Say by one or two company members or the proprietors, as we do in the equity, that one or two proprietor can reek or can dump the prices of the script for their personal agenda. But that is not possible in this commodities, because commodities are actually used. जैसे कि क्रूड है तो क्रूड एक्चुअली यूज होता है, और एनजी है तो एक्चुअल एप्लीकेशन रहता है उसका, तो उसकी प्राइसेस ऐसे हम लोग कोई भी चेंज नहीं कर पाएगा. इट इज बीन एक्चुअली यूज्ड, इट इज हैविंग देयर ओन एप्लीकेशन, सो you can't manipulate, or there won't be any price rigging for such commodities. Yes, I know that there are many members, those who have already attended this webinar. Don't worry, sir, I will be finishing this and then we'll be coming to the live market as well. Hold on for that, sir. Yes, this is for the new members, those who are connecting me for the first time. Different asset class now. uh, uh, it is definitely a great source of diversification in your portfolio. We as an Indian, we are just fond of investing in gold and silver, and it pays very well when other things are not performing well. So this, it's a definitely portfolio diversification. Now the next important point is the hedging. It is acting as a natural hedge. So this commodities are a different asset. Okay, and whenever some or other things, say by currency or equity, is not performing, it is a natural hedging, and this commodities may perform well. So it is like just like the buffer against losses. It's definitely a good source of hedging. Flexible timings. Yes, I'm going a little bit fast, and you people can go through the recordings of the previous batch, previous classes, so that you can get a good grip over this. And the flexible timings. The market, commodity market opens at 9 o'clock in the morning, and it ends at 11:35 p.m. So you are getting 14 plus trading hours. मतलब कि जब भी आप लोगों को time मिलता है, whenever you are getting the time, uh, yeah, even in the afternoon, even in the morning. In the afternoon, European market opens, London market opens. At that time, you will be getting good movement. Even in the evening, when US market opens, the volumes, the movement would be very strong in the commodities. So you can easily take your own time, select your own time, and can multiply your capital with the commodities. And US market or the global market works for 23 hours a day. Now the technicals works wonderfully. See, here we will be getting more participation, we'll be getting the plenty of global linkages, there will be less manipulation, and because of all these things, it respects technicals like anything. It works like a magic. I'm not only sharing with you all these things, I will be also showing you people the same thing in the charts. Okay, so please don't worry for that. Yes, Nitish Kumar, sir, I'm coming to the question before going to the next agenda point. So, are you understanding the basic things of the commodities, Rajinder, sir, and why one should focus on commodities? Yes, there are plenty of other things. There are many hidden treasures of commodities. If you are fond of reading, and if you will be going through, if you yes, Nitish Kumar, sir, I'm coming to your question. Just hold on. Oh, okay. Which time is best for trading in commodities? Then 1st September CB margin became 75% to 100%. I don't think so, Mahesh sir, that there would be any impact on the volume. The reason also I'll be showing you, Mahesh sir. So please don't worry for that. I'll be showing you the reason for that, and I think it's not going to increase for the commodities. Okay, but still I'll be showing you that, and which time is the best for trading commodities. So there are a few other questions as well. I'm coming to that question. See, there are many hidden treasures of commodities. If you people will are fond of reading, and if you will be going through, just to read many big time traders, those who are very successful in today's day, they have started their trading journey with commodities. They had multiplied their capital with the help of commodities. Commodities were their first choice. You just go and read it, you will get plenty of such names. Why so? Because these commodities are quite easy to work on. Here you don't need to focus on multiple script. Second thing, here you are getting the global charts. Wherever MCX charts say by, I'll be showing you the global charts. Our MCX chart are the mirror image of this global chart. So they all take an advantage of this. They prepare their levels before market hours, and they are giving strong trending market. Mahesh sir, commodities में ऐसे ही 2-3 दिनों में इतनी strong trending market मिलती है और इतना strong trend मिलता है कि बहुत easily लोग multiply कर लेते हैं अपना capital. See, by I'm opening the crude chart in front of you all. This is a global script, okay? Yes, those people who are understanding Hindi, they can just request me. I'll be repeating in the Hindi if you don't understand in English. So here the people can see that this script is having a, it's working for 23 hours a day. So whenever our market is closed, you can even trade in the crude oil or all the commodities, globally traded commodities, or this commodities will be trading in, not in India but in other parts of the world, and it continues working for 23 hours a day. Are you all understanding? It is sleeping just for 1 hour, and on the basis of this chart, we can easily calculate good levels for our trading, say by from morning 9 to 11:35 p.m. Yes, this is the reason why before 9 o'clock, when we are putting up the levels, why we are getting such a amazing accuracy. Those who are following our levels, which we are putting up before 9 a.m., just check the accuracy of this levels. I think more than 90% it has given. It is having the accuracy above 90%. How many of you are looking at that? This is the reason why the technicals are working such amazingly in commodities, and you can easily multiply your capital. Go through the my previous webinar of the power of compounding. You will get an importance of commodities. Now see, by Mahesh sir, if the SEBI is coming up with the new margin rule, and if it is increasing little bit margin, then also it's not going to face a problem in commodities, because the reason is that we are getting the strong trending market twice a week. So what people are doing, they are easily multiplying their capital. Say by if they are starting with natural gas, they are easily multiplying their capital within a month, and their capital, same capital they are using for their margin. Are you understanding, sir? Mahesh sir. See, by copper, today just check our copper levels. It has given almost 8.2 points of profit. So 8.2, it's a huge amount, right? 1 point of profit in the copper will give you 2500 rupees of profit. 1 point in zinc will give you 5000 rupees of profit. So 8 into 2500, just tell me what would be the profit. Nickel, we scored almost 8 points of profit today. So 8 points of profit, 1 point of nickel is giving you 1500 rupees. So we are getting strong trending market in commodities, which is helping us to multiply our capital quite easily. And what is margin? It is just the deposit which we are paying, right? It is basically, it is good for us. It is good for the traders. It is a CB is trying to cut short the small traders, which is having, who are having very less capital, and it is always difficult for them if they lose their capital. So it is basically good for us. Okay, are you understanding, Mahesh sir? This commodities, 8 to 9 commodities are having amazing movements. In the gold mini, we just missed by 2 points, but it is also given almost more than 500 points of profit. Every day, you people can just observe the Excel sheet, see how our members are doing it. Crude oil, natural gas, why they will stop trading in commodities? When in the commodities, you just need to pick up the good top and good bottom and you can nail it. So this is the basic reason for the intraday as well as for the positional trading. Intraday, when it is giving such an amazing result, we don't even need to take the overnight risk. And see, by if you people will observe this, yes, I know I have got many questions to target today. So yeah, I'm trying to come to each and every question. Don't worry. See, I'm showing you. First of all, my question is that there are some new members today in the class, and they are asking me what is MCX Genie and what is a master's channel. So MCX Genie is our in-house technical team. Okay, and the in-house technical team, which is giving the trade levels on the basis of the learnings or the technical setup which we are teaching to our members. So it is basically helping hand to our members. We are completely into training. Nitish Kumar sir, okay, you can prepare your own levels by doing or by learning technicals behind this. So you can make your own levels. And yes, and you can trade at your own convenient time. So Genie is giving the trade levels on the base of the technical setup which we are teaching to our members. It is a helping hand to our members. Okay. Now the MCX master. Then who are the MCX masters and why? How they are? See, masters are our batch members. MCX masters are the batch members from batch 1 to batch 16. Yes, batch 16 is going right now. And from them, those who are performing very nicely, those who are very much good at that research levels, they will be putting up that trade levels along with the reason for that trades and will try to help the complete community. They will be trading on the same trade level. So it is like a collaborative learning platform. They would be trading on the same trade levels which are been put up by them. So they learn and earn together, and they also help the complete community to learn on the basis of this. So here you people can see the masters are making the huge profits and they are also trading on the same trade levels which they are putting up. So this is the masters channel. It is basically the collaborative learning platform. Okay, and MCX Genie are the trade levels based on the technical setup which we are teaching to our members. Arun Kumar sir, again I am repeating. And we maintain proper Excel sheet for each and every trade levels which we put up, and the accuracy is just very good, sir. Okay. Uh, yeah, so it is a collaborative learning platform. So the batch members, say by batch 16, batch 15, those who are learning right now, they will get a help from Genie and Masters channel, and it is like a collaborative learning platform where they can learn and earn together. Yes, when you be the part of the batch 17, you will also be the part of the group of say by batch 1 to batch 17. All the group are active till date. You will be part of that community where you can share each and everything. You can share your entry price, you can share the reason why you took the trade and exit and everything. So it is like a collaborative learning platform where you can learn and earn together. Is it clear about the Genie Masters channel and our batch groups? Yes, all the batch groups are still very, very active and they are doing just a wonderful job. Yeah, now coming back to our Phoenix Commodities free channel. Yes, uh, I already explained Genie, right, Arun sir? Genie is our in-house technical team which prepared the trade levels on the basis of the technical setup which we are teaching to our members. So it is like a helping hand to our members, those who are learning right now. Is this clear, Arun sir? Yes. Yes, Shah sir, I think that what was your question? There are a lot of brokerage companies offering very less capital, huge margins as compared to others. How to believe them? See, first of all, if you don't have any problem in the capital, then don't go with such companies. It is a margin is just the deposit which you are paying for taking your trades, right? It is just like a down payment. So, and still, if you have some problem regarding the margin, then only go with such things. Otherwise, you can peacefully trade. Uh, Specific indicator or the setup. Now let me show you people that also. See, like, let me show you all right now. Don't worry, I'll be showing you. See, this is not the one or two indicators which is giving such an amazing result. It is the combination of the complete technical setup with the pinch of fundamentals which we are teaching to our members. Okay, it is not just one or two indicators which is giving such an amazing result. It is like the setup, the and see, we don't believe in the learnings which will be giving you the profits for one or two times. And it won't give you the profit again and again. We believe in preparing a system where our accuracy will be more than 80%. And not only that, we also teach our members to change their setup to come up with the new setup. It is an in-depth learning, Arun sir. It is not the result of any specific indicator. Yes, let me share you all. We in our curriculum we cover fundamentals plus technicals. Fundamentals is like a complete fundamentals which is required to become a pro in commodity trading. We start from very basic and technicals to advanced levels. Say by, yeah, I'll be just zooming this. We start from very basic to advanced, say by price action, candlestick patterns, trend lines, chart patterns, divergences, Fibonacci levels, gap theory, Bollinger Bands, RSI, and the most important is the Ichimoku trading system, which is giving more than 80% of accuracy. Yes, all the classes will be in the live market. It won't be in a, yeah, all the classes will be in the live market Monday to Friday, 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Sessions are like classes, days are like 21, but it gets completed nearby 21 to 29 session, depends. It depends how many clarification session we take regarding that. It the course is from basic to advanced, and all the classes will be in the live market. Yes, that is true, sir. Inventory, which is the specific, which is a very important event for commodities. So inventory session will also be taken in the live market, and the one who understands the inventory, they can make the complete profit of complete week in just 1 hour or just within a few minutes. So this is the power of supply and demand and the inventories, and when inventories comes, it gives a strong moment. Definitely, sir. As per your request, in Thursday's webinar, I will be explaining you all the inventory, crude inventories and the NG inventories. Yeah, definitely. I'm noting down this point and will be including into your agenda point. Okay, don't worry for that. And all the classes will be in the live market. Lot size is different for all the commodities. Okay, Sunil sir. As I told you, 1500 nickel, 1 point of profit. 80 nickel will be giving you 1500 rupees. Zinc, you will be getting 1 point of profit will be giving you 5000 rupees of profit. So lot size varies in all the commodities. Okay, Sunil sir. And yes, I can understand, sir. And see, this batch 17, yeah, definitely I'll be explaining you, sir. The offer was like that. The early bird offer was like getting 4 months of Genie and Masters channel. Now, you people are already observing the work of Genie and the Masters. They give wonderful trade levels and the amazing accuracy. So once you are learned, until you will not learn, it will be difficult to trade on those levels. But once you are learned, it's quite easy to get your money back. And we were giving 4 months of Genie and Masters channel free for the early bird offer, which just got completed yesterday night. We had opened that seats only for the first 30 seats, and we are done with that. Now the early bird offer 2 is going on, and only 20 limited seats we have kept for that, and that is the 3 months of Genie and Masters channel. Otherwise, you will be getting only 2 months of Genie and Masters channel. Yes, 1 week or even 1 month is too big to take Genie. It means you people can understand how much you can mint once you are learned with the help of Genie. 1 week is also too big deal. So that is the offer. The offer is too good. And yes, you will also be getting the recordings of the current batch which is going on, batch 16. So you can prepare yourself and can ask your questions in the live market when your batch will start, batch 17 will start. So this is the biggest offer which we have given till now. You are getting the early bird advantage, as well as you are also getting the recordings of the previous batch to prepare yourself. So in the live market, when you will be coming for the actual class, nothing will be cut short, and you will be able to gain a grip of complete topics quite easily. It would be the complete revision for all of you. For further details regarding for the batch 17 and the early bird offer, you people can just contact our support team. They will help you for the same. Okay. And yes, sir, as you are telling me that you are very new to this and you don't know how the members are doing this, you can just go through the testimonials link and just check. Genie, we are maintaining since the last 3 years. It is not 1 or 2 months. We are maintaining MCX Genie since the last 3 years. Every day's trade levels are being maintained, and every month's Excel sheet has been uploaded in our testimonials. Everything is very much live and transparent. Take out some time and go through our testimonials channel to understand the way of working. If you are a little bit interested in your learning, please don't delay the process. Take the recordings today itself and start your learning journey from today itself. And in the live class, again, you can ask for the further yes, that's wonderful. Yeah, further you can definitely ask to our support team. They will answer and they will guide you and they will explain you the complete things in the detail. In the commodity Pathshala, again, those who have missed the previous session, please go through the recordings which has been uploaded in our website. And in upcoming session, I will be explaining a very important topic about the inventory. So try to attend it completely. Don't miss that session. Let us meet Thursday evening once again at 4 o'clock. Yeah, thanks a lot for engaging yourself since last 1 hour. Hope you people would got an idea about the commodities market as well as their importance in India and the world. Yes, Rajendra sir, it has been taught. Each and everything has been taught, and the price action is the core subject. Along with that, the strong reversal trading setup and the strong momentum trading setup has been covered in our class. Many other important things have been taught in the class, which we have even not mentioned in our curriculum. Learnings are assured at Phoenix Commodities. Please don't worry for that. Yeah, let us meet Thursday evening once again. Contact our support team for the further details. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot and have a good day.